In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing customers into Shopify. If you're transitioning your online store to Shopify, or simply looking to update your customer data, this process is crucial yet straightforward. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, you'll notice a range of options, but for our task today, we'll be focusing on the Customers section. Clicking on Customers will bring you to a page that showcases all your current customer information within Shopify. But our goal is to import new customer data, so let's take that next step. Once you're in the Customer section, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Import Customers button. Click on that, and you'll be presented with instructions on how to proceed. One of the essential things you'll need to do at this point is to download the sample CSV file that Shopify provides. This template is critical because it outlines the exact format and fields Shopify requires for you to successfully upload your customer information. After downloading the sample CSV file, take a close look at its structure. Each column in the CSV represents different data fields like email address, phone number, first name, last name, and so on. It's important to match these fields with the customer data you have, ensuring that each piece of information is correctly aligned with Shopify's format. This step can save you a lot of hassle down the line, preventing any import errors. With your data properly formatted and ready for upload, you can head back to the Import Customers section. From here, it's just a matter of clicking the Import button and selecting your finalized CSV file. Shopify will then process this file and upload your customer data into your store. After clicking Import, Shopify will begin working its magic. There might be a small wait time depending on the size of your CSV file, and you might receive a confirmation once the import is complete. In case there are any issues or errors, Shopify typically provides feedback on what might be wrong, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments and try again. And just like that, your existing customer data is now in Shopify. This integration helps you maintain continuity in your customer relationships while enjoying all the features Shopify has to offer. Once your customers are imported, you'll have all their information at your fingertips, allowing you to engage with them more effectively. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining me as we explored how to seamlessly import existing customers into Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to update your store with ease. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy selling, and see you next time.